Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to the mid-market update. Today is one of the worst session of the month. We started on the Nifty down by almost 100 points today early morning, and Sensex almost down by 325 points. All the banking, real estate stocks as well as metal stocks are bleeding as of now, anywhere down between 5 to 9.5% on the intraday basis. Now this was because of last evening when the RBI Governor D. Subbarao said that for the banks, if they want to kind of borrow more than 75,000 crore as a combined, would have to shell out more than 200 bips for that amount on that percentage. So that's more than the repo rate of 8.25. Now the current rate is repo rate is 7.25 plus 1% premium is charged if they go for that marginal funding. Now that 8.25 has gone up to 10.25 now, which will kind of increase the borrowing rate. That will affect the economy. Now this, all things have been done by the RBI to contain on the forex currency speculation. This might result into a kind of a short-term blip. It still support the rupee to some extent, which is kind of seen today itself. But for the banking, for the equity, it's not a good news, because home loan borrowers who have kind of floating rates, their interest rates might shoot up in the near future because of this action. The liquidity is not that much an issue, but if they want kind of more than 75,000 crores, they need to use the MSF. Friends, this has led to stocks like SBI, Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, Yes Bank, including all the kind of small PSU banks down by more than 5% on the intraday basis. Also, the selling pressure was seen on the real estate sector because it's interest rate sensitive. DLF is down by almost 4%, IBUL Real Estate is down by almost 9.5%, and HDL is down almost 4.5%. So kind of the statements and the policies has been kind of taken negative by the investors as well as the traders. JSW Steel is a stock which has hit a 52-week low. Today it's also in the news that's saying that they are interested in kind of acquiring a stake in Sandur Manganese and iron ore, kind of to improve their iron ore kind of production and logistics issues. So to solve that, they're thinking of acquiring a stake. That has not gone down well with the traders as well as investors, and the stock is down by almost 3.5% to 52-week low of 577. Friends, also we have Kane is one of the stock in kind of heavyweight, you can say a large cap, which is kind of trading almost almost flat to positive. So that's kind of a savior. Otherwise, I mean, Reliance is flat to almost 0.5% down. Not much movement seen on the downside for the stock. So the saviors again are the pharma, defensive, and the FMCG, which is kind of saving some grace and holding the Nifty right now is down by almost 85 points, and Sensex by 255 points. Kind of recovered a bit. Certain stocks have kind of found some kind of bottom fishing happening in the market. Friends, forex market, coming back to rupee, is 59.40 versus the US dollar. Immediately after the announcements was made today, rupee kind of opened strong vis-a-vis the dollar. Friends, this is all the update we have till mid-market. We'll get back to you more in post-market. Thanks.